Hello, my name is Joyce Yu. I'm a marketing manager at Nexperia. In this video, I'm going to talk about Nexperia Clip-bonded FlatPower technology. It is the most efficient for replacing SMA, SMB, and SMC packages that have been the industrial standard for power rectifiers for many decades. However, today's design faces significant pressure more than ever before in terms of power density and the spatial dimensions on the PCB. This compact flat power technology is needed, of course, without compromising any electrical or thermal performances of the products. This is exactly where our CFP technology comes into play. Let me first compare the thermal capability between our CFP package and this bulky SMA counterpart by using a simple demonstrator. You see these two Schottky diodes on two testing boards. One Schottky diode is housed in our new CFP2-HP package. The other comparable die size is using the conventional SMA package. The biggest difference between them is CFP2-HP only needs less than 75% of the PCB space compared to SMA package. Those two testing boards are single-sided FR4 PCBs, and you can see a 1 square centimeter large mounting pad, which is supposed to mimic 4-layer PCB, which is popular in wide range of applications. Now we are going to feed the same amount of dissipated power into these two diodes and measure the temperature in real time with the IR camera. Let's start with the measurement. You see we dissipate 1.75 watts in each diode, which gives SMA package a power density of 12 watts per square centimeter, while CFP2-HP is sustaining up to 50 watts per square centimeter impressively. So after the heating up phase, the two diodes reaching the thermal equilibrium. And you can see, in spite of our CFP2-HP having a much smaller surface size, sustaining much higher power density, its temperature is almost on par with this much bigger size of SMA counterpart. How does this CFP technology achieve such great performance? By featuring a solid copper clip and the exposed heatsink, the thermal resistance itself is greatly reduced, and the thermal transferring into PCB is the most optimized, as you can see in the camera. Today, instead of using conventional SMA package, we see an increasing interest in Nexperia CFP solution in a lot of designs and applications. All Nexperia CFP solutions are qualified according to the automotive standard AEC-Q101. A wide product portfolio of Schottky fast recovery PN diodes and silicon germanium rectifiers with over 200 devices is now available. Find out how your design can benefit the most from Nexperia CFP technology by visiting nexperia.com. Thank you for watching.